Good news. The shop spider is still alive. She. Don't know if they're... I don't know their gender. I would assume the bigger spiders are the females because... I don't know. I don't know anything about spiders. But that one up there in the light that you couldn't just see is alive. I kind of blew air at it and it was like, oh my God, you got morning breath. So I was like, I know it's alive. So we're going to get some heat on in here. Just a little. I got to find the propane bottle. But, you know, once we get some heat in here, it won't be so... I don't know if you can see that. It's cold. There is the pet spider. We got some serious heatage running for him in here. I don't know what kind of spider that is. And I honestly don't care. It is the garage protector. Yeah. Alright, the adventures begin. My fingers are getting cold. Whew. Should be wearing gloves in here. I gotta touch steel. That's a zip tie for you. Holy Jesus. That'll fulfill some. That'll get somebody's fantasy going. Tie me up, Daddy. No. Pet spider. We got some serious heatage running for him in here. I don't know what kind of spider that is. And I honestly don't care. It is the garage protector. Yeah.